Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Google Chrome in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to your Edge browser and go to Google in that and search for download Chrome. Scroll down, you'll be having this website, Google Chrome web browser. Just click that. And here you can see we will be having the official download link, and just uncheck this if you want to and just click on download Chrome. So it's super fast. Just click on open file and just click on yes. And that's it, we have our Google Chrome successfully installed. If you want to sign in, you can sign in with your Google account, and if you don't want to sign in at the moment, just click on don't sign in and just click on settings. If you want to change anything, just click on got it. That's it, we have successfully installed Google Chrome. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.